Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. Today in this video, I am going to start tutorial number 6, how to edit this page, home page, and how to make about us page and how to make service pages. So let's start this video. So this is our website. Now we are going to edit these all sections and images and text contents. To do this, just click on edit with Elementor. And after that, if you want to edit anywhere, just click on this edit pencil button and you can change all this text and everything like this. So I am going to put here demo content. Dummy content you can copy from this website, just copy and paste it here. You can put your own content, but in that I am going to use dummy content. From here you can add this subtitle, and from this description you can change whole content like this, and you can edit these buttons also. Just click on this edit button and you can change this picture also, or you can change this picture also. Just click on edit button and choose from your computer, or you can take any other images also like this. Now you can change all contents and all these things. If you want to add some more sections, just click on this plus button and it will create one blank section. You can make here sections like this, or you can take from designs this from this E button. So many free sections are available. Some are free, some are paid. So I am going to take free. Just click on insert and you can see it's inserted in the bottom area. You can drag it and move this content anywhere. Now we are going to create more pages about us and services. To do this, just click on page and click on add new. After that, just write about us. And make it Elementor full width and click on publish. After that, edit with Elementor. Now you can design as you like, or you can import design from this E button. So I am going to create a design. Just make this section. This is 2 sections created. Now I am going to put here one images. Just drag and drop this image button, and after that we are going to change this image. Insert media, then just, and after that here we are going to put some content like this text editor, and I am going to take some content from here. Like this you can create about page, and I am going to add more sections. And here you can put images or content as you like this. Just duplicate it and you can delete some sections also. Now we are going to change one by one. Now I am going to take one more section above, and here just click on this button and take a heading, and I am going to put some demo content again. and make it center, and we can change the colors also. And we can change the size also, or font size, font settings also. I'm going to make it 20. Okay, and I'm going to make one more heading here. We can copy this, just duplicate it, just click on preview, and you can see it's looking good now. Now we are going to add this about us in menu. To do this, again go to the dashboard and click on appearance, then menu, and click on about us and add to menu, and make it automatically. So whenever we are going to create one page, automatically it will add it to this menu section, and save it. After that we are going to refresh. So it's added. Now we are going to create one more page, services. Go to the pages and click on add new. Make it Elementor full width and publish. Now we are going to add some designs from this E button. So many sections are available. We are going to import some sections. Like that, you can insert or you can create new pages and update it. After that, we are going to refresh our website, and service is already added. Just click on it. Page is looking good. Now we are going to create contact us option. Again go to the dashboard and create a new page, add new, and click on contact us. Contact us and click on Elementor full width, then publish. After that, edit with Elementor, and now create one block. Just click on this button and search here contact. Here contact form 7 is available. Okay, just update it, and after that just preview it. It's working or not. So it's not working. We need to install this contact form 7 plugin. Just go to the dashboard and go to the plugin section, click on add new. After that, just search here contact form. This is the contact form 7, and you can see 5 million active installations are available. Just install and activate it. After that, I am going to refresh once again this website. Just check contact us is working or not. It's not working. So again click on edit with Elementor, and we are going to create one new form. This is the contact form. Just click on it, and you can see by default one form is available. Just copy this shortcode and go to the editor option and select contact form 1. The contact form 7 is available now. Now I am going to add one header before that. Make it black, and after that make it 30 size. Okay, and here we are going to put some address. Again click on this button and take text editor, put it here, just write here our address, or we can put one header here, just duplicate it. Now drag and drop it here, and we can write our address here. Now we are going to add Google Map. Just make a blank section, and after that click on here and search map. Okay, Google Map is available. Drag and drop it here, and you can write your address here. Just going to preview. Once again, it's added now. So this is a basic website we are created. You can make more designs, use your mind and play with the Elementor. You can create a beautiful website like this way. Again, I will come up with a full tutorial with how to make a business website and different type of website, how to make this with WordPress. Till now, thanks for watching and have a nice day.